Keep your fusible web nice and soft with this method. Making sure you are working on the paper side of the fusible web, use a template to cut or trace your shape. Here, we're cutting directly using an 8.5-inch circle template. You'll want about 1/2 inch of fusible web. Here, we can use our smaller circle template to get the full 1/2 inch. If you're working without a template, you will have to rough cut 1/4 inch on either side of the traced line. Following the manufacturer's instructions, fuse the web to the wrong side of the appliqué fabric. Cut out your appliqué shape. Then peel off the paper backing. Position the appliqué shape onto the background fabric and fuse it in place. Eliminating the extra layer allows your quilt to be more pliable for extra cuddles.